Hey, Murray here. Welcome to the video on customizing your course homepage. So first thing you want to do is click on the course that you want to customize the pages for. So I'm going to click on, say, this one, Lead Magnet Challenge. And then come down here to step 4, customize your course pages, and click on customize your course pages. All right, so that will open up your course in the page builder environment. And this is where you will make all of the changes to your course pages, customize what is in each position in the page, and just generally make it look exactly how you want. Okay, so first thing you want to do when you come into the page builder is just choose the page that you want to open and work on. So this article is about the course homepage. So click on home up here in the core pages. So click on home, and what you can see here is the homepage that we have for this particular course, which is the Lead Magnet Challenge. So at the top, we've got the top navigation of the homepage of the course, and then we have a countdown. And then we have another section where we have a video and some headline text. And then underneath, you can see we've got some points, some actions here. So these are some actions we want students to take in exchange for points. And then underneath, we have a few more little actions we want them to take. And then down here we have, we've listed out the 5 days of the course. This is a mini course with 5 days or 5 trainings inside it. So we've just listed out the trainings here for the students. And we're going to just skip past these 2 sections here real quick. So first thing you need to understand is that the page builder is a system that enables you to work with blocks on the page. So you can see here that as I hover the mouse, we've got different sort of boxes on the page with the green outline. So these are what we call blocks, and you can stack whatever blocks you want on a page one above the other. And this one is just basically a collection of blocks stacked one on top of the other. And as you hover over each block, you'll see some buttons here lighting up. And these are the buttons that let you do things to these blocks. So you can edit the content in any block by clicking the edit button. And you can move it up and down by clicking these up and down arrows. You can duplicate a block by clicking this duplicate button. You can delete a block with this trash icon. And then you can save the block to library, which is down here in saved blocks. You can save it to the library, and then you can reuse the same block on any page you want. So on this home page, we have a top navigation, and I've customized my navigation here in this block simply by clicking edit and then just going down into the left sidebar, and then that gives me the opportunity to change, to add new links, to remove links, to basically do whatever I want. And what you can do here is just set up your demo link, set up a new link, and I've got the link at the top there, and then you can just choose what destination you want to have for that nav item in the nav menu. So you can see here it's allowing me to link to any page within the course, as well as an external page. So I can just type in an external page if I wanted to, and that navigation is going to link to the demo. It's going to link to Google. So that's how you link externally, but otherwise you would just probably choose to link to a page within the course. Okay, so that's the navigation. And then if I click edit here, you'll see I'll get some options here in the sidebar, and I can click to edit any of the text that you see here in the sidebar. I can change the thumbnail of this video. I can upload a new video here if I want to. The cool thing about the page builder is that whenever you want to add an image, it gives you the option to either embed an image, upload an image, or select an image from the different like an image website that we've connected to. So you can just search images and choose the one that you like the look of. So check that out. Underneath here, we've got our points block. So you click edit here, and then you can see here we've got some different points here. So I've watched the challenge welcome video. We're giving them 1 point for doing that. And then this next one is accepted the mission. And this one we're giving 2 points. Once they check that off, they get 2 points for that. Okay, so You can add extra actions here. You can remove them by opening this section here and then clicking the trash icon. So it's all very customizable in terms of what you can do with each block. Each block has a specific purpose. For example, we've got these navigation blocks here. So what I'm showing you here is the sidebar where we have all the different kinds of block categories listed here. So you can have some navigation blocks, so you can actually drag. The way they work is that you just drag them onto the page like that, and then boom, you've got a new block on the page. So it's pretty simple the way we've got it set up. And then you can have a look through all of the different block categories just by hovering the mouse over here. You can see here we've got some different header categories, so you can just drag them onto the page and customize as you go. We've got text and images here, so you can see we've just got them ready and waiting for you just to drag them onto the page, and then you can customize them and they're part of your page now. Okay, we've got a countdown block. That's useful if your course has a specific amount of time that you want the student to get through the course in that amount of time. We've got a comment block, so you can add comments onto any page or under any video, any training content. We've got these actions. That's what we've been looking at on this page. We've got actions that are stacked vertically like this, and we've actually got an action block that is set up to be more horizontal, that looks like this. Let me just, okay, I have to add an action for that to be visible. Okay, so then we have a footer block. So the footer is visible down here. Then we have an advanced. If you want to drop a HTML JavaScript snippet onto the page, you can do that. And then we have our script block library, where you've saved your customized blocks to the library for reuse. Okay, so that is how you customize your course homepage. We've got some settings in here. You can change the title of the page, but that's about it. And then you can save the changes that you make to the live version. So if you have students going through the course, then they're not going to see any of the changes that you make to your homepage as you make them until you click that button up the top right that will publish the changes to the world. Okay, so I hope this has been helpful to you to understand how to customize your course homepage. Okay, so any questions, use the a little widget at this widget here at the bottom of the page, bottom right, and then you can ask us a question. And yeah, thanks so much.